Welcome to the Manufacturing Nerd YouTube channel. Today let us talk about the topic of manufacturing. Manufacturing. It's how we take ideas and turn them into the products we use every day. But did you know there are different ways to make these products? Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials, components, or parts into finished goods that meet a customer's expectations or specifications. It typically involves a series of processes including designing, producing, and assembling products. From the unique dress you wear to your favorite snack and the car you drive, they all come from different types of manufacturing processes. There are several types of manufacturing processes, and they can be categorized in various ways. Some common types include job production. Involves creating custom goods for a specific client or customer. Each product is unique, tailored to the client's requirements. Examples include made-to-measure clothing or custom-made furniture. Batch production. Involves producing a set number of items in a batch before moving on to the next batch. Each batch goes through one stage of the production process before moving on to the next stage. Examples include bakery products or limited edition items. Mass, or flow, production, involves producing large volumes of identical products. All units are identical and are produced continuously. Examples include the manufacturing of bottles of beverages. Continuous production. Similar to mass production, but the process runs 24/7 without interruptions. It's typical in industries where raw materials are fed into one end, and the final product comes out the other end continuously. Examples include oil refining and electricity generation. Lean manufacturing. Focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing systems while simultaneously maximizing productivity. It originated from the Toyota production system and prioritizes value addition and waste elimination. Just-in-time (JIT) manufacturing. A methodology aiming to reduce times within the production system as well as response times from suppliers and to customers. It emphasizes producing and delivering goods just as they are needed, reducing inventory costs. Flexible manufacturing. Uses advanced technologies such as robots and computers to adapt to the production process to manufacture different products or product variants. It's about quickly and efficiently switching from one product type to another. Each of these types of manufacturing has its advantages and is suited to different kinds of products and market demands. The choice depends on the nature of the product, the scale of production, and the financial implications, among other factors. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more manufacturing-related topics. Until next time.